You dream of breaching firewalls, exploiting vulnerabilities, and becoming a cybersecurity legend. You imagine yourself as the hero in a digital battlefield, outsmarting adversaries and protecting vital information. You devour every hacking tutorial, every CTF write-up, every line of code. You spend countless hours studying, hoping to unlock the secrets of the digital world. But here's the cold, hard truth. You'll never be a hacker if you keep doing this. Simply consuming information isn't enough. Why? Because real hacking isn't about memorizing steps or understanding theory in a vacuum. It's about much more than that. It's about applying knowledge, getting your hands dirty and diving into the unknown, and developing an intuitive feel for systems and their weaknesses. It's about understanding the intricacies of networks and the subtleties of software. It's about the thrill of the chase, the excitement of the hunt, the satisfaction of finding that elusive vulnerability, the one that others missed, the adrenaline rush of a successful exploit. It's a feeling like no other. You can't learn that from a textbook. No amount of reading can replace real-world experience. You have to experience it, you have to live it, breathe it, and immerse yourself in it. So are you ready to stop dreaming and start hacking? The digital frontier awaits you. The journey is tough, but the rewards are immense. Embrace the challenge. The internet is a vast ocean of information, overflowing with hacking tutorials promising to turn you into a digital ninja overnight. These tutorials often lure you in with the promise of quick mastery, making it seem like you can become an expert with just a few clicks and keystrokes. But beware the siren song of the tutorial trap. These guides can be misleading, offering a false sense of security and knowledge. While tutorials are great for introducing concepts and tools, they often lack depth. They provide a surface-level understanding that can be dangerous if relied upon too heavily. They often present simplified scenarios and pre-packaged solutions, which might not hold up in real-world situations. The real world is messy and unpredictable. They give you the what but rarely the why, leaving you ill-equipped to handle real-world challenges. Without understanding the underlying principles, you can easily get lost when things don't go as planned. Imagine learning to swim by watching videos. You might understand the theory behind the strokes, but theory alone won't save you from drowning. You might grasp the basic strokes, but without getting in the water, you'll never develop the muscle memory, balance, and adaptability needed to stay afloat in a dynamic environment. Practice is essential to bridge the gap between knowledge and skill. Hacking is no different. It requires hands-on experience to truly understand and master the craft. Theory without practice is like a car without an engine. It looks impressive but won't get you very far. To truly excel, you need to combine theoretical knowledge with practical application. So, dive in, get your hands dirty, and start building real-world experience. Only then will you truly become a master of the craft. Real hackers are defined by their insatiable curiosity and their relentless drive to explore the digital unknown. They are the pioneers of the digital frontier, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Their journey is not just about writing code, but about understanding the very fabric of technology. They don't shy away from complex challenges or get discouraged by roadblocks. Instead, they see these obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow. Every error message is a puzzle to be solved, every bug a chance to improve their skills. They embrace the struggle, knowing that every obstacle overcome brings them one step closer to mastery. The satisfaction of solving a complex problem is unparalleled, and it fuels their desire to tackle even more difficult challenges. They understand that true learning happens through experimentation, through breaking things and putting them back together, through the iterative process of trial and error. This hands-on approach is what sets them apart from the rest. They're not afraid to get their hands dirty, to dive deep into systems, to dissect and analyze their inner workings. This deep dive often leads to innovative solutions and breakthroughs that others might miss. They're driven by a passion for understanding how things work, and more importantly, how to make them work differently. This relentless pursuit of knowledge and improvement is what makes real hackers stand out in the ever-evolving world of technology. They are the ones who push the boundaries and redefine what is possible. The good news is, you don't need to infiltrate high-security networks to hone your hacking skills. A wealth of legal and ethical resources provide safe and controlled environments to practice your craft. Platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, and VulnHub offer a variety of challenges designed to simulate real-world scenarios. From basic reconnaissance and web application vulnerabilities to advanced penetration testing techniques, these platforms provide a playground for you to experiment, test your skills, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, ethical hacking is about responsible disclosure and helping organizations improve their security posture. Always operate within the bounds of the law and respect the privacy of others. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool when used responsibly. Section 5. Mastering the Art of Attack. Hacking isn't about randomly throwing exploits at a target and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the intricacies of systems, identifying weaknesses, and crafting tailored attack paths to achieve your objectives. Think of yourself as a digital detective, meticulously gathering information, analyzing vulnerabilities, and piecing together the puzzle to unlock your target's defenses. Start by mastering the basics: reconnaissance, scanning, enumeration, vulnerability analysis. Practice different attack vectors, web applications, network services, social engineering. Learn to think like both an attacker and a defender. This dual perspective will sharpen your skills and make you a formidable force in the cybersecurity world. Section 6. Tools of the trade: your hacking arsenal. Every craftsman needs their tools, and ethical hackers are no exception. Familiarize yourself with essential hacking tools like nmap for network scanning, Metasploit for exploit development, and Burp Suite for web application testing. But remember, tools are just that, tools. They don't make you a hacker any more than a paintbrush makes you an artist. It's your creativity, problem-solving skills, and understanding of the underlying principles that truly set you apart. Continuously expand your toolkit, experiment with new technologies, and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. Always be learning. Section 7. Embrace the challenge. Failure is part of the journey. Hacking is not for the faint of heart. You will encounter roadblocks, hit dead ends, and experience your fair share of frustration. But embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Each failed attempt, each error message, each frustrating roadblock is a chance to learn, adapt, and refine your approach. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try unconventional methods, to break things and figure out how to put them back together. The more you push your limits, the more you'll discover about the systems you're trying to secure. Remember, every failure is a lesson in disguise. Section 8. The power of community. Learn from the best. You don't have to hack alone. The cybersecurity community is vast and welcoming, filled with passionate individuals eager to share their knowledge and help others grow. Join online forums, attend cybersecurity conferences, participate in Capture the Flag competitions, surround yourself with like-minded individuals, learn from their experiences, and contribute your own insights. Collaboration is key in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. By sharing knowledge, supporting each other, and working together, we can create a safer and more secure digital world. Embrace the community and grow together. Section 9. The time to strike is now. The world needs skilled cybersecurity professionals now more than ever. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, and the demand for individuals who can protect our digital assets is only going to increase. This is your call to action. Stop dreaming about being a hacker and start taking the necessary steps to make it a reality. Get your hands dirty, experiment, learn from your mistakes, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. The future of cybersecurity is in your hands. Are you ready to seize it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring cybersecurity professionals like you.